This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure power and safety are addressed. First, plug the booth into a stable 110-240V outlet or confirm the internal battery reads adequate charge. Unstable power will ruin captures. Once connected, inspect and tighten the rotating platform bolts and safety stops so the arm won't detach when spinning. Now flip the main power switch to on and watch the status LEDs. If they light, the system firmware and sensors are ready. Proceed to system boot and network pairing. You continue by letting the system complete its boot sequence. Don't interrupt firmware updates. Once the boot screen confirms camera and motor drivers initialized, open the booth control app on the tablet or laptop and select your resolution, rotation speed, and capture delay. These settings control smoothness and exposure. Next, set camera height and focus for the subject, adjust ring light intensity for even illumination, and run a brief test spin to confirm synchronization between shutter and motor. Make adjustments. You finish by doing a full rehearsal capture with a subject or mannequin to validate stitching, exposure, and rotation timing. Review the 360 output for artifacts or motion blur. Make sure the guest platform and safety rail are locked and brief the operator on how to use the emergency stop. If something goes wrong, power cycle the booth, rerun motor and camera calibration, and inspect wiring and connectors for loose pins. These steps resolve most failures and get you back online quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.